kids. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Who will tell me what should I draw today? Yes, tell me. Exactly, I draw a game controller for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. It's very easy and simple drawing. You can draw this at your home without any difficulty. First of all, you need to draw a box. Then draw the circle. Draw the another circle. It looks like a car. The circles look like the wheels. Then draw the handle of the game controller. Draw the one handle. It's very easy to draw the handle. The other handle at the other side. I enjoy a lot to draw the game controller. I have two game controller. I play the games with the game controller. I play the games with my siblings. I also play the games with my cousins and friends. See, the structure of the game controller is complete. Draw the button at the upper. Draw the another button. It's also used while playing the games. Do you have any game controller at your home? Do you like to play with game controller? Do you play games with your siblings, friends, or cousins? Draw the lines at lower of the game controller. You can draw the lines of your own choice. I draw 3 lines. You can also draw more than 3 or less than 3 lines. Draw the 3 lines of the other side of the game controller. Wow, that's awesome! Now draw the buttons that used to play games. These buttons used for moving or change the directions. These are very important buttons. Draw the button another side of the game controller. Draw the addition symbol. That is used in maths. Then draw the 4 small buttons. It's very easy drawing. See, my game controller is almost complete. Who will tell me what is missing? Yes, it's coloring. So let's coloring with me. First of all, I use the pink in buttons. Pink is my favorite color. Do you like the pink color? I also use the pink color in the lower part of the game controller. See, the pink color looks so beautiful and awesome. I like this so much. Do you? What is game controller? A game controller is a device used to play video games. It has buttons and sticks that help us control the game. We can use a game controller to move, jump, and play games. It makes playing games fun and easy. We should use it for a short time and take breaks. I use the different colors in drawing because I like colorful drawing. Do you like the colorful drawing? See, my drawing is ready. Wow, that's awesome drawing. I like this drawing so much. Do you like this drawing? Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you soon.